Good evening. I welcome you all to KalyanTimes.com. In this particular webinar, I will give you an introduction with respect to our new batch of Science and Technology, which is a part of APPSC Group 1 Preliminary Examination. This batch we are going to commence on January 1st, 2024. The rest of the details you can have a look at here. This particular subject is carrying 30 marks in paper 2 of a preliminary examination of Group 1. Classes we are going to commence on January 1st, 2024, and these classes are fresh classes to be started on January 1st, 2024. And please remember, this is for exclusive English medium students only. And all the topics will be covered with the latest updates. Daily, I will be taking the classes, and those classes will be uploaded by 6 o'clock in the evening. Meaning, during these days, you can watch our classes after 6 o'clock in the evening in our app. But what about the validity? This particular course is valid till the completion of the whole examination of APPSC Group 1. When it comes to the fee, very reasonable, 1,499 only. But for the benefit of the students, it has been further reduced to 999. This offer will be valid up to January 5th, 2024. So I suggest all of you, all the students who are preparing very seriously for this examination, to join at the earliest and start working along with me from January 1st onwards. Kindly remember, with respect to Science and Technology, you have a separate paper in Mains 2. And the more you learn, the more in-depth concepts you get during the preliminary examination, it will become much easier for you to go with the main syllabus. That is the reason why I suggest all of you to take this particular course. Now, how do you join this particular course? We have an app. We are associated with the Class Plus, and the name of our app is KalyanTimes.com. From Google Play Store, you can download the app, or directly you can download the app from the link that is given in the description below this particular video. You can please download, and this app is available for Android users as well as the iOS users. Links have been given in the description separately. Similarly, we also have Telegram channel, and the link is given in the description. You please follow me on this channel. You will be given latest updates, and these updates will be provided to you from time to time. And you can take my WhatsApp number, mail ID, or you can take the pic of this. But what are we going to cover in this particular classes? Entire syllabus. So this is the unit number 1, Science and Technology. Unit number 2, ICT, Information and Communication Technology. Third one, Technology in Space and Defense. Look at this, how many topics are given. Large number of topics are given. All the topics will be covered in detail to suit the needs of your examination. And fourth unit is covering Energy Requirement and Efficiency. And fifth unit is covering Environmental Science. Look at this, so many topics are given, and all the topics will be covered to you effectively, perfectly. Clear? And finally, I would like to show you the speech once again, and you can just take a pic of this one, and you please join at the earliest, and you avail the discount also. Otherwise, the price may be increased by January 5th, 2024. Thank you so much, and I wish you all very, very good luck, and I'll see you during the classes.